Hey everybody, Dave Fingers here with my good friend Kyle Crevette, CEO of 3ACLEAN. What's happening, brother?
Hey Dave, everything's going good on this rainy Friday afternoon. It's a beautiful day in Colorado.
Absolutely, absolutely. So we were talking before we got started. You've got this really cool 3D technology that helps you to really take a look at a facility remotely, right? Tell me a little bit about that.
Correct. Well, what we do at the start of the account, and oftentimes we do it as we're building the proposal for the customer, we take a 360 camera and we walk through the building. And what we really hope to do is be able to take a little more than a walk so that we can set the camera down in certain areas so that it'll take a nice 3D high definition picture. And then overnight, after we've gathered all of the pictures that the 360 camera takes, it uploads to the software, and it takes anywhere from 4 to 6 to 8 hours, depending on the size of the facility.
Right.
And it comes back in a 3D view, and the 3D view is called the dollhouse view, exactly like it sounds, where you drop in and you can see anywhere in the building, and you can actually set yourself down at the entrance, let's say, and you could walk that building as if you were actually in the building. And one of the best things about this is, as we were practicing ourselves, one of our clients shut down a 9,000 square foot community clinic. And it was just not too far from our office. And we asked him and said, hey, can we go in there and practice this technology? And he said, do it, go ahead. So we did that, put it all together, sent it back to them, and they showed it to the real estate company that was marketing the sale of that building. And they used that to attract customers so that they could just show them the inside and what it looked like already.
That's cool.
One of the very coolest features was that as Daniel, our tech that was running the piece of equipment, was going through the building, he opened the door of the utility room, and in the utility room is a water heater. We were able to stop as we were doing the virtual tour, look into the utility closet, and we zoomed in on the water heater, and we were able to get the serial number and the make and model of that water heater right there.
Wow.
So using it as a facility tool for a facility manager becomes a wonderful thing, not just for janitorial, but for your electricians, your plumbers, your whatever. And I think that it's a wonderful thing. And I think that that this is one of the real estate, commercial real estate, they use this already, but I think that in commercial situations, I think that this is going to be a big deal.
Yeah, so it's really like the virtual tour technology that you see with real estate. But I liked what you said. You can really zoom in to the point you can see a serial number on a piece of equipment, right?
Exactly. Which makes, because we deal with a management company out of North Carolina, and we service the facility that they manage in Highlands Ranch. So we've done the 360 walk through there. And we actually have used that to be able to discuss certain things that are going on in that building with them. And it's been a hit for us. And now we're featuring it on our new and updated website. So yeah, we're very excited about that.
That's cool. That's cool. Thanks for sharing that stuff and that technology. And I was going to ask you, what's the benefit to a facility by using that? But I think you explained it really well with your examples.
Sure. Well, the biggest thing is that you don't have to do cattle call walkthroughs anymore. You could do a cattle call on Zoom, put the 360 the dollhouse into the Zoom, and you could walk the people through. And if they had questions, you could actually stop and you could go into certain rooms and you could look at certain things. They could ask about the floor finishes or the finishes of the countertops, whatever, and you could zoom in on it to show specifics, and it's very high res HD, and thumbs up, baby.
Yeah. Well, you remember when we were younger and we'd watch Star Trek, and we thought, wouldn't it be cool if we could do that? I think we have arrived.
Yes, absolutely.
We have these 3D technology in Zoom now. It's all Star Trek.
That's right. And when our GM, Matt, was talking about this 360 technology, he goes, I don't want you to think that this is a teleportation device. And then he shows it to me, and I said, you're kidding me. This is a teleportation device.
Exactly. That's the only thing we're waiting on from Star Trek. That's the only thing that hasn't caught up with the society yet. So that's
right.
Next, right?
That's right. Beam me up, Scotty.
That's right. Well, cool. Thanks. Thank you so much, Kyle. Appreciate the information, and we'll be seeing you on LinkedIn, brother.
Sounds good, Dave. Thank you.
You bet.